we actually can map which circuits are complete in relation to another human. So I'm borrowing from each of us to create this more complete network of sharing and receiving. Some of us have more receiving intelligence or power or potence. So it's like, I get to feel what that is and then hold it and as a sensation, as a particular frequency in my body. I can feel it now. And then your sensing being gets to feel that, remember its own version. We're not good at it without each other. That's the nature of tribal existence. We don't live on this planet together. That's our learning curve. We're all separate in our mind. So we think this turning of medicine around is this like the healing of this broken heart, this broken collective heart, or this scarcity orientation, or this victim consciousness. We'll just naturally go into all those places. The pain of that motivates us to seek and do the courageous work of opening to reach for freedom. Without the pain of that departing, we would neither work our muscle of the return, nor bear ourselves vulnerable enough to receive the level that we're remembering how to for ourselves and everyone else. For information on our more extended trainings, which offer continuing education credits for providers of all kinds, email us at practices@flowismedicine.com and be sure to follow us on social media.